buying a drawing tablet can feel like a gamble. You spend your hard-earned money, but will it be the right one? Too small? Bad pressure sensitivity? A screen that looks terrible? I've been there. That's why I spent the last 2 months putting every major drawing tablet through an artist's worst nightmare. And what I found changed everything. In this video, I'm revealing the only 5 drawing tablets you should even consider in 2025. One incredible tablet under $100 will blow your mind, and the winner, the #1 pick, is so good, it might just make you a better artist. Number 1. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad introducing X3 Pro Slim Stylus is a breakthrough innovation boasting industry-first 16K pressure levels, 100% higher than that of its peers. Free of charging and pairing, 60 degrees tilt recognition, pick up to draw. It delivers much more precise and smoother lines than ever before, excelling at hyper-nuanced creation. Natural pen on-screen experience. The 12.2-inch standalone drawing tablet is crafted with AG-etched technology, 2160 by 1440 screen resolution, a 3:2 aspect ratio, pairs with a wide color gamut of 115% sRGB and an incredible 16.77 million colors, offers you a paper-like drawing experience in full color. Easy on eyes. Thoughtfully designed with eye comfort in mind, the screen is TV Rhineland certified and enhanced with 10 steps of soft light treatment, so you can create without worrying about straining your eyes even when racing against deadlines. Number 2. Wacom MovinkPad 11. Wacom MovinkPad 11 isn't just another tablet trying to be everything to everyone, it's a drawing device, pure and simple. We've spent over 40 years obsessing over one thing, making digital drawing feel as natural as pencil on paper. That's why the pressure sensitivity responds right, the pen doesn't lag, and it feels solid in your grip. It's designed to do one thing really well, let you draw. Number 3. PicassoTab X Drawing Tablet. The PicassoTab is packaged in an exquisite box featuring elegant artwork that enhances the product's overall presentation and appeal. The luxurious feel of the box makes it an excellent choice for gifting on special occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, or any celebration where a thoughtful and beautiful gift is appreciated. The intricate artwork on the box illustrates the quality and attention to detail of the tablet inside, making it a truly exceptional gift option. Number 4. XPPen Drawing Tablet. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro Drawing Tablet. Need to connect with computer. You need to use it with your computer or laptop. The 3-in-1 cable is included. Drawing tablet with screen, tilt function. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function, so now you don't need to adjust the brush direction in the software again and again. Simply tilt to add shading to your creation and enjoy smoother and more natural transitions between lines and strokes. Graphics tablets, high color gamut. The 13.3-inch fully laminated FHD display pairs a superb color accuracy of 88% NTSC, Adobe RGB greater than over equal to 91%, sRGB greater than over equal to 123%, with a 178-degree viewing angle and delivers rich colors, vivid images, and dazzling details in a wider view. Your creative world is now as powerful as it is colorful. Drawing pad. One is enough. The sleek red dial on the display is expertly designed with creators in mind. Its strategic placement allows for natural drawing postures. With just one wheel, you can effortlessly zoom in and out, adjust brush sizes, and flip the canvas, all tailored to suit the habits of everyday artists. The 8 customizable shortcut keys allow you to personalize your setup, streamlining your workflow and enhancing creative efficiency. Number 5. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 needs to connect with a computer to use. You need to use it with your computer or laptop. The 3-in-1 cable is included. It is in a little white box separately in the package. 16K pressure sensitive, XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 Drawing Tablet. Introducing X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus is a breakthrough innovation boasting industry-first 16K pressure levels, 100% higher than that of its peers. It delivers much more precise and smooth lines than ever before, excelling at hyper-nuanced creation, a game-changer in details. 2.5K QHD screen. The 16-inch graphic tablet's display adopts 2560 by 1600 QHD resolution, full laminated technology, anti-glare etched glass, 16:10 aspect ratio, wide angle of 178 degrees, which all will help you avoid parallax errors between the stylus nib and cursor, precisely positioning every single one of your strokes. TVSD certified optimizes eye comfort by reducing potentially harmful blue light emissions while delivering excellent color accuracy. Enhanced and brilliant color coverage, 99% sRGB color gamut coverage and 159% sRGB color gamut area ratio, E2.2 high color accuracy, let you create boldly in stunning color accuracy and detail. Every piece of content becomes a feast to look at and comes to life exactly what you imagine. So, there you have it. From beginner to professional, one of these 5 tablets is your perfect creative partner. No more guesswork, no more regret. Ready to finally upgrade your digital art setup? I've gathered all the purchase links for every tablet we discussed. They are all waiting for you in the video description down below. Please, if this guide helped you, hit that like button, it genuinely supports the channel. Share this video with any artist friends who are looking to upgrade. And to stay updated on all the latest gear to fuel your creativity, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now go create something amazing!